sorry to tell you. That sun always gets right here. Well, enough of that. Timon, what are you doing? I'm fast forwarding to the part that we come in. But they can't go out of order. Uncle Tram, my pussy pal. I've got the remote. Why everyone's gonna get confused? We've got to go back to the beginning of the story. We're not in the beginning of the story. Yes, we were the whole time. Yeah, but they don't know that. Then why don't we tell our story? Ah! Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we tell our story? Oh, I like the sound of that. I'm a little backstage tour. Take them behind the scenes. We're revealing into the look at the story within the story. Because when they don't know something more than worried that, gonna step out myself. So, does this mean we're going back to beginning? Oh no, pummba. No, we're going way back. To go form at the beginning.